with the annual Ice Bowl. Doug Duff here this morning to tell us about a fundraiser for a great organization, the Community Food Bank of Eastern Oklahoma. You guys could have chosen a better recipient.
Oh, I know.
They're outstanding.
They are outstanding. Yeah. What they do with our dollars that we collect is just phenomenal.
It is
what it's all about.
Exactly right. But I tell you what, Doug, before we start off and talk about this great event, people are saying disc golf. For those who don't know, it's a great sport. It's a lot like golf, except rather than clubs, use your arms, right?
Right. You're using plastic. We're throwing frisbees.
Yeah.
And there's a variety of them, but it's the same concept. You start from a tee box, you try to end at a basket, or a hole out, In most courses, it takes 3 shots to get those done. And it's pretty simple.
Yeah, it's interesting because as we look at this video, I mean, you say frisbee, it's a lot like frisbee, you throw it like a frisbee. It's a little bit different, though, when you get up close and personal, but as you were telling me earlier, there's different discs for different parts of the game, but a lot of Tulsa parks have got disc golf courses there, right?
Yes, we have 19 parks in the Tulsa area. So, I mean, Broken Arrow, there's just several parks that you can go play at. And they're free. You actually once you purchase your plastic, your disc, you can just walk onto any course and play.
And the neat thing about it is you're getting exercise, too.
Right.
I mean, a lot of walking. Right. It's fun.
Yes, take your dogs out, go out and play. It's not hip-hop dancing, but you still get exercise.
That may have been too much exercise. But let's talk about the fundraiser, because you guys are, as we said, you're doing this for the Eastern Food Bank of Oklahoma. Those folks do a great job. And why did you pick them, and what's all going to take place tomorrow?
Well, the reason we picked them is because of what they can do with our dollars, what we can raise for them. And disc golfers, there's a lot of them in Tulsa. We love the fact that we can, because we use the parks, that we can give back to the community. So we come out this year, or last year, our goal was met by, we exceeded $5,000 and
that is awesome, Doug.
Over 300 pounds of food.
That's incredible.
This year we just doubled it a little bit, and we're going to go with 400 pounds of food and $8,000. Wow. And we're on target to reach that goal.
Hey, you guys are a generous group of people.
Yeah. We love
saving all those greens fees you didn't have to play.
Exactly. And we love the Parks Department. Tulsa River Parks and the County Parks Department do a fantastic job taking care of our courses.
I would think this is a great opportunity for those who play disc golf to go out and show off their skills, but also those folks who have not played before and say, hey, I'd like to find out more about it, wouldn't it?
Oh, exactly. Actually, tomorrow it's a fundraiser. We're all out there for a charity. So
put the fun in the fundraiser.
Oh, exactly.
Right? Yeah.
I mean, we have all kinds of different divisions, different ages. But yeah, tomorrow, if you come out, we would love for people to come out. There's signage to lead to where we're doing our donations.
Okay.
We're doing putting challenges. We're showing people how to play the game, and just having a great time because it's all for charity.
As you said, it's all free. It's at Chandler Park, $15 entry fee, and that all goes to the folks at the food bank. So
exactly. Everybody.
Unbelievable. Excellent. Thank you, man.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. 16th Annual. You guys are doing something right, too. I know
exactly.
Folks at the food bank certainly appreciate it. Now, this is tomorrow for the Ice Bowl, and Mike's already told you the weather for this should be phenomenal tomorrow. Tee times at 8:30 to 10:30. Chandler Park, 6500 West 21st Street. The number to call is 918-407-4529. For more information, you can also find out more by going to Ice Bowl HQ, icebowlheadquarters.com for more information. Hey, Stiller Performance.